What do you train to, success or failure? When I first started learning about weightlifting, I came across an unusual term, train to failure. In resistance training, this refers to when you exert your muscles until they cannot function anymore. The muscle basically fails working. When the muscle builds, after this it is stronger. Why? This is because life is about survival. When the muscle fails, it sends a signal to your brain that you need to become stronger. As a result, the muscle rebuilds itself better. Now what if we apply this to ourselves? What if every failure in life is not to push you down, but rather a signal to become better? That is simply it. Life is not pushing problems on you to make you hate living. It is failing you to give you a signal to become better. Only through failure, reflection, and improvement will you be able to become a better version of yourself. Think of yourself as a muscle being trained to become stronger. You are not failing, you are training to failure.